up, everybody? And today you are watching Math Art with Marley, and we're going to be drawing a isometric cutout cube. This is Math Art Challenge Day 3, if you're wondering. At the end, it's going to look something like this. So it's a 3D cube, but the sides are cut out like that. So we're gonna start off with getting 3 different colors. I would recommend having some colored pencils instead of markers. Just because it works better for this project, and it's gonna be a little bit tricky. So, like most of our projects, we're gonna just pick the darkest color and pick a pen that's that color. So mine's probably it's green. So I'm gonna have this green colored pen that I'm gonna use for the outside lines. This one, it was blue, so we used a blue pen for the outside lines. So now it's gonna be green. So I'm gonna put this off to the side over here. Now to start off, I'm gonna take my pencil and I'm gonna start with, so I'm gonna imagine that I'm drawing a 3D cube, but I'm not gonna do the whole thing. So I'm gonna just start with a line across the top like this. It's gonna be 6 down here. It's going to be 6 on each side. So for a reminder, you need isometric dot paper for this project. So you're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's not the spaces that you're counting, it's the dots that you're counting. And then I'm going to count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, yeah, it's not the dots you're counting, it's actually the spaces. So I'm going to put one more there. So yeah, remember the spaces. I made a mistake there. Next, you're just going to go down the same way by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then up this way the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there, we have our shape. It doesn't look very 3D yet. That's because we didn't do the sides. So we're just going to take this. So we're going to go 6 down. Then we're going to draw a little line from here to, you're just going to stop when it's even with the corner. So right here we're going to stop. Right here, right here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now it looks a little bit more like a 3D cube, and then we're going to do the same thing going down like this. So now it's a 3D cube. Now we just have to make it a cutout cube. So we're going to start with the top. So it's not, it's going to be like this, and we're going to just make it so that a little bit of it is cut out, then the middle is cut out of the cube, but there's still some sides. So we're just gonna start with doing that. It does not look like this yet, because we literally just started, but we're getting there. So we're gonna go down this. We're gonna start with the one. I'm gonna start with the sides now. So we're gonna just follow until you get one away from the end and go down. And then the same thing over here. I'm gonna draw the line up here. So there, we're kind of done the cutout parts, kind of a little bit. My lines aren't too straight. If you want yours to be straighter, you can always use a ruler or something, but I just decided I'm just gonna do this quickly. So I'm not gonna take out all my supplies and stuff. Doesn't have to be perfect, like I always say. So next, we're gonna start with these like the sides that you can't see, the lines. So it's gonna be like 3D. So we're gonna go down this line, this, that. We're just gonna go to here actually, because then we have to have room for making this part 3D too. So that's gonna have to go there. So we're just gonna go to right here. And then up like that to the top and then back down. In the middle, you're gonna draw a line all the way down. Then we're gonna start with this part. So you're gonna draw a line like this, all the way down to the end. Same on this side. So there, we're kind of getting it a little bit now. Do you get how the lines are all 3D and stuff? So we got the top. Now, this is the hard part. We need to get from here to go. This was hard for me on my first time, but now I'm a little bit better at doing it because it's only my second time doing it, but I'm still a little bit better. I'm gonna draw a line across here, then I'm gonna get the 3D and go down here. Same on this side. I'm gonna go across like that. Perfect. Now, I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. It's a little bit tricky to do this part, so I really have to pay attention to detail. And around here, all the little spots. See on this one, you really got to pay attention because when we trace it at the end, you might miss a little spot like that. So I'm going to draw a line across there and right here. So now we're done all of our 3D. So there you have our block. We're almost done here now. We are going to start to color it in. So here, this is the rules for coloring it in. You have 3 colors. You can pick any colors. Where you use your colors doesn't really matter. You just have to know where to put them. So you see here how all the ones that are facing this way go blue. Dark blue like that. All the ones that are facing up are yellow. Bottom 2. All the ones that are facing this way are turquoise. And yeah. So that's what we're gonna be doing.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh.
Finished it. It's not that neat, but I do not want it to be too straight because, so there's my inspiration and there's mine. I hope you really loved this video. Right here. And thumbs up to you if you have subscribed to my channel, and I hope you loved this video. I'm just gonna draw a star there. Bye!
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world.